some 40 grit on my DA. First time running my DA. The air compressor's not really keeping up because I have to bring it closer to the air compressor, or bring another one in there. Goes in here. Over here. Over here. Around this corner. So right there. That green bluish one's the one running. This is just a tank to hold extra pressure. See what we're at while we're over here. Almost 100. Yeah, I just thread that plug because the gauge broke off of it. It was leaking. So, got my Goodyear little hose wheels out. So could be a problem. I don't know, I might have to get a different compressor or figure something out. I would like to work there because I don't want to go sanding in the rain. I might have to get like a little carport and put all of them in there and work on it over there. And man, back in here. Or is that the right way? I think it was supposed to have more pressure. Thanks for watching.